You're watching NappyCast by Jason Nappy Weather. Clouds around right now in Caribou. We've got a lot of clouds today. The showers, snow, ice all moves in from the south and the west over the next several hours into tonight. And then it'll change to plain rain in the forecast coming up. Right now in Sanford, you can see it's cloudy there too. Overcast. We will not see any sun today. Yesterday, a beautiful day. That is now a memory. We're getting back to more of a winter pattern, although this is more on the rain side than it is the snow or ice side for this storm coming through specifically. So not as much of a wintry mess with this one coming through. However, the wind-sheltered valleys are going to be dealing with things like a little bit of ice with this storm. So yeah, that's all coming in the forecast here in the next couple of minutes. Let's look at cloud cover on this visible satellite. You can see there's just a little bit of sunshine trying to peek through up in northern Maine, but really it's going to be very cloudy throughout a good chunk of today. Temperatures here, wind out of the east down around Portsmouth and Kittery, northeast over towards down east, so Calais, Eastport, northeast and east, and it's chilly up in the county, the 20s here. Eventually this wind is going to shift out of the southeast, and that's going to keep things relatively chilly in the forecast today. Tomorrow we do get a little bit warmer. Things begin to moderate just a little bit tomorrow. So right now I want to show you what's going on here in the hour-by-hour forecast so you can plan your weekend. And into the day Sunday, things are going to clear up dramatically. Just a few scattered rain or snow showers north and west Sunday afternoon. It's really going to be the bulk of the precip is going to be Saturday into kind of early Sunday. So I'll reset things here on the graphics. And Saturday morning is clear. We're going to have the showers come in the afternoon. Western Maine first. You see the snow in Rangeley and Augusta. This is not going to be accumulating snow. I don't expect a lot of that. Possibly up in the county tonight. But really that rain pushes through. Not heavy rain. Be more of a steady kind of showery type of rain, and then things are beginning to clear out and improve Monday, especially by the afternoon. Eastport, a couple of showers hang on, and then Sunday, most of the day, it's just a pop-up kind of scattered snow shower, wind out of the west, northwest. Temperatures warm up into the 50s, and then Sunday night along the coastline, there is a rain-snow mix going on there. So here is your forecast on Nappy's Notes. A wet weekend between rain, snow, a little bit of ice, and that continues into next week with more rain and snow coming in the forecast. Right now you can see on the cameras, obviously we are all clouded up and will stay that way. It's a mix over the steady rain. I don't expect a lot of accumulation. I did not make a snow or ice map from this. Mountains 36, inland 43, and the coast 41. Typically we're 49. Yesterday we were in the low 60s in southern Maine, so we're just riding that roller coaster ride here for temperatures. Periods of rain tonight into the overnight, ending by midday on Sunday at the latest. Temperatures are going to be generally above freezing except the mountains. There will be some ice, especially in the western mountains, especially in Rangeley tonight before it changes over to plain rain. Small craft goes up tonight for the Mariners, with that wind building just a bit. Seas are building, wind going up. Here's your forecast the next 10 days in the mountains. So it's AM showers on Sunday, 41. Monday we clear out in the mountains, and then Tuesday, here come those snow squalls. There will be accumulation Tuesday in the mountains, and then quite chilly Wednesday, 29, and then warming up to the 40s. A lot of clouds around with the rain holding off until Tuesday of the following week. I think right now the storm for the weekend misses the mountains, but it does strike inland next weekend on Sunday. So we'll back things up. Sunday, it's just a few AM showers, and then clear Monday. Clouds will be around though. Tuesday, snow squalls, snow showers. We're chilly, and then we warm up to barely 51 and 52 for next weekend into the following week as we get to the middle of April. So things are staying chilly in April. I don't see big warm-ups the first half of April right now. Yesterday was the warmest day by far, especially a coastal plain that we're going to see in the next 7 to 10 days. Speaking of the coast, it's 52, 40. So tomorrow we'll get the 52, which again, with that wind coming in more out of the west. And then we cool down again Monday, Tuesday, rain, snow showers. I don't expect a lot of accumulation at the coast on Tuesday. It's not trending that way. It's tough to do in April, especially during the day. And then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 40s with onshore flow. A lot of clouds get in here Saturday, Sunday. So a pick of the week right now would be Wednesday, Thursday, even though it's chilly at the coastline. Sunshine makes it at least look better, feel a little bit better, but it will be breezy. And then 48, 51, and 51 with that rain coming in for next week and by Sunday at the latest, and then into the following week on April 15th with more rain showers. You can get the latest forecast on nappycast.com and jasonnappyweather.com.